We are here at Epcot and we just found these Adventureland pins. I've never seen these before. They were at Pin Traders. The designs are very cute. If you can see, I will insert a picture. I quite literally want them all, so we're gonna do an unboxing.
Did you show them?
I did.
Okay, so I want, obviously, Orange Bird, big Orange Bird person. I think I want the Skipper Canteen one too.
So do I, with Donald and Daisy.
Yeah.
I did say I want them all, but my number one is definitely Donald and Daisy, because if you know, Daisy's my gal. Here we go. The first one. Here we go, ready?
Ooh,
Oh,
okay.
That was like the least one that I wanted.
Oh, nails, so this might be it.
Sorry. Do you want me to get it?
Yeah.
I won't look.
Pro tip, don't cut your nails before getting a mystery pin set. Ready?
Stitch!
Ooh, we got Stitch.
He's
okay.
so cute. He's by, you know where Jungle Cruise is?
Yeah.
Like where the misters are?
Where it like sprays you, yeah.
That's cute. We need to go back and buy more.
We might have to if we don't get the Orange Bird one.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah! Woo! Orange Bird.
Woohoo!
Orange Bird.
Here he is again,
Look at
eating
that.
a little Dole Whip.
Yeah.
I love it.
Well, I'm happy either way, so ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Donald and Daisy. Oh,
Chippendale!
Very
Woo! Yeah.
I want Donald and Daisy so bad. Orange Bird,
I like them all, to be honest.
Chippendale.
I like the Enchanted Tiki Room one too.
Stitch, and the bird, one of the birds, don't know the name, of Enchanted Tiki Room. At least we got all different ones. Can't complain. So we got half the pack. Do we go buy more? I think I have cash.
If you want to go get another one. Alright, go ahead.
does. Look at that face. I'll be right back. I didn't have cash. I just lied to my husband. He'll forgive me. We're back with more Adventureland mystery pins. Don't know if I had to break this up into 2 videos, but if it is, welcome back. Jason's eating an Uncrustable. Quick snack break. The goal is still to get Donald and Daisy. Clearly that was my number one. I lied when I said I wanted all of them.
That's the only one you're looking for, Donald?
I mean, I want them all. I want to collect them all.
The Mickey one's cool.
The Mickey one is cool. Told the guy when I went back in, I was like, I'm back. I should have known. I should have bought more than 4.
I can go first, I'm ready.
Oh, okay, go for it.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah! First pull. First pull. Mission accomplished.
Oh, it's so cute. Now we have to go eat at Skipper Canteen.
We do have to.
We actually never have.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love it. Okay. Wow, what if we got them all?
Finally complete.
We didn't. I
What is
jinxed
that?
It. It's Chippendale.
You good
Jinxed
with it?
it.
Is if you get a duplicate, you can trade it. I spoiled it.
Oh, he spoiled it.
Spoiled it, but
Spoiled it. Jasmine.
Jasmine.
And a Boo. Is that a Boo?
yeah, Boo's on
Oh,
there.
yeah, how cute. Hold it up. There we go.
A Boo.
Very cute. Last one. Is mine going to be the double? Yeah.
What is it?
Stitch again. That's okay. All right, so we're missing Mickey and Pluto.
We have, that's it, right?
Yeah, Mickey and Pluto. That's
right.
okay. Maybe next time. We will take a pause. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow along for more Disney content.
Goodbye.